In this video, I'll show you how I installed a generic ceiling light from start to finish. The LED light is sold separately and must be purchased separately.
坏了，
不会啊，
剪刀，
那边地板。
Since the mounting plate has multiple holes, we can start by drilling the first hole near the electrical point and use it as a reference for alignment. Insert the wall plug into the drilled hole using a hammer. Using the first reference hole, mark at least 2 additional holes with masking tape based on the mounting plate positions.
这个很难呢，这个我碰是都这样硬的，这个很容易的，真的。用力够了，用力够了，累。
Insert the wiring through the center of the mounting plate. Connect the live and neutral wires to the LED light. The LED light uses magnets to attach to the metal mounting plate. Because the mounting plate is metal, it's important to properly connect the earth wire to it for safety, as shown here.
Tiếp chung à? Dạ.
对啊。
Đánh kinh luôn nhỉ? Được không? Phải đi không? Okay.
Finally, secure the light cover.
Okay, last one.
Like and subscribe. Comment for house tours.